Let's divide 514 by 2. Hey super math stars! If you're having fun learning with me, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 514 by 2. First, we look at the digit 5. We're going to use the first digit, which is 5. Let's see how many times 2 fits into 5. How many times does 2 go into 5? It goes in 2 times. Let's check. 2 times 2 is 4, so we write 4 below the 5. Now we subtract 5 minus 4 equals 1. That's our remainder for this step. Great job, you're doing awesome. We've got a remainder of 1. Now let's bring down the next digit, which is 1, to make 11. We have a remainder of 1 and we bring down the next digit 1 to make 11. Our new number is 11. We carry over the remainder 1 and bring down the next digit 1 to make 11. Now let's see how many times 2 fits into 11. Think of your 2's times tables. 2 times 5 equals 10, so 5 is our next digit in the quotient. Write 10 below 11. Time to subtract. 11 minus 10 equals 1. We found our remainder. Wow, you're a math superstar. Keep up the amazing work. We have a remainder of 1 again. Let's bring down the last digit 4 to make 14. We're on the last step. We have 14 to divide by 2. Let's finish this. We carry over the remainder 1 and bring down the last digit 4 to make 14. How many times does 2 go into 14? You got this. 2 times 7 equals 14, so 7 is the last digit of our answer. Write 14 below 14. Subtracting now. 14 minus 14 equals 0. No remainder this time. Fantastic, you solved it. Absolutely brilliant. We've reached the end. Our final answer is 257 with no remainder. High five. So 514 divided by 2 is 257. We did it. We tackled 514 divided by 2 step by step. Remember, long division is just a way to share numbers fairly. Keep practicing and you'll be a math whiz in no time. Great job today, math explorers. Keep shining bright and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.